Hey everyone, Levi here. I'm the lead instructional librarian on the FRCC Westminster campus, and today I'm going to show you the basics of how to search Academic Search Premier, one of our popular academic article databases. Let's get started. Underneath the search bar are three options before you search: full text, peer-reviewed, and a date range drop-down menu. You want to make sure full text is selected, as this is how you get full text results only, meaning you have access to the entire article. If you don't click full text, it will just bring up results that will show you information about the article, but not give you access to the article itself. Now you can begin searching. Type the search keyword terms of your topic into the search bar. Use keywords only and not whole sentences or full questions. For this example, I'll be using student debt as my keyword search terms. As you can see, the database gives you some suggestions of alternate wording you can use to narrow or broaden your search. I'll click on student debt or student loans or college debt. At this point, you want to make sure you're logged in. If you're on campus, you will be logged in by default, usually. But if you're not on campus or not logged in, it will not say Colorado Community College System. It will instead say something like, log into your institution to access all your resources. Use your S number and your one sign-on password to log in if this is the case. Now you have a list of all your results here that you can scroll down in the center of the page. You can see each article has a title, as well as a gold checkmark icon with the words peer review if this article has been peer reviewed. You can also see this is an academic journal article. Under the title, the date of publication is listed, as well as the authors who published this and the database it came from. This one came from 2019, and that's pretty recent. If you want to sort by recency, you can do that using the drop-down menu near the top of your search results. Now, let's say you want to use this article in your research. First, click the title of the article itself. You'll be taken to a second page, and this page has, again, the title of the article, the database it's from, date it was published, the author's names. But when you're ready to access the article itself, click Access Options, which shows choices between a PDF and HTML format or download. Scrolling down, this page gives you more information about the title, clickable links on the author names, the source, the date again, the document type, and subject terms, which are additional keywords you can use to search. There's also author-supplied keywords. A very helpful part of this page is the abstract, which is a short, easy-to-read paragraph summary of what the article is about, so you can make sure this is relevant to your research. Now let's say you want to get the citation or send this article to yourself. Scrolling back up, there are 5 icons above the title of the article. The quotation mark icon, second one in, is the citation feature. Clicking on this will make a window pop up that has many different citation languages in a drop-down menu. It has ABNT as default. Just click the menu to see APA, MLA, or Chicago citation formats. The database will now generate the citation for you for your references or works cited page. Remember to just do a quick double check to ensure the citation looks right. You can then copy it or select Copy to Clipboard. You can also add this article to your own project folder on EBSCO, but you have to make your own My EBSCO account in order to use this feature. I recommend to all students that you use the share feature under the third icon that looks like a turning arrow. It is here that you can email this article to yourself, which has a number of benefits, including being able to access the research you've performed anywhere you can check your email. You don't have to use your student email. You can use any email address you check, including Gmail and others. The other share options here let you send this article to your Google Drive or OneDrive. You can also get the permanent link, the permalink, to this article under the Create Link option. It's the single way to link others to this article, like your instructor if they need access, or if you need to get back into the article, as the URL at the top of the page will not let you re-access the article. You can also download the article to your desktop or device by clicking Download. A pop-up window will show that you have the option to download either HTML or PDF versions. Okay, let's go back to our search results now, because I want to show you how to limit your search results in Academic Search Premier. Hit the Results button to go back. Okay, once we're back on our search results, you can see that there are 108 results. Sometimes you can have up to 1,000, 10,000, or more results. As you can see on this page, we're up to 2,000 because I got rid of the additional terms. This is a pretty large number, so let's say we want to narrow it down. I am going to click on the All Filters button, which is directly below our search box. This will open a menu that shows you a lot of different filter options to narrow down your results. I'm scrolling through this so you can see what is available to you, but I'll open some of these menus and take you through some of these options as well. So again, we have the full text and peer review options repeated. If you click on publication date below this, you can select a date range of 12 months, 5 years, 10, or a custom date range. There's databases you can choose from below this. This tends to be more helpful when searching multiple databases, as this is just Academic Search Premier. After this, there's source types. You can choose from the many different source types available on this list, like magazines, newspapers, academic journals, and more. This is helpful if you want to only choose a popular or alternately only an academic source. Next, there's subject terms. Subject terms are what's known as a controlled vocabulary, as in the database already has articles assigned to these specific terms, so it isn't guessing as it does with a keyword search. With these terms, it can help you not only get more specific with your search results, but it can give you more keyword ideas to search with later on. You can select as many of these subject terms as you like. Next, we have publisher. If you know of a specific publisher, you can also select a language, as these databases contain research and articles from across the world. Right now, we only see English here. You can also select a specific geographical region that the research was performed in or is about. Lastly, at the bottom, there's an option to choose a specific NAICS or industry type. Once we're ready to apply these options, we can hit the Apply button, and this will apply any of our selections to our search and narrow down our results. As you can see, we went from 2,000 results to just 85 by selecting a date range and a source type using these filter options. That's all for now. We've covered the basics of Academic Search Premier. Hopefully you found this video helpful. As always, if you need further help searching the databases or doing research, reach out to any of your campus librarians. You can email me at levi.fisher@frontrange.edu. See you soon, and happy searching!